like Sizzla not supposed to get no ratings. Man like Sizzla fi go suck him mama and go. One time my
the Jamaican LGBTQ RSTUVW XY and Z community has attacked Rastafari once again. This time, it's Shitty Dan talking about Sizzla Kalonji. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari here, soldier here of Deep Roots TV.
Watching Deep Roots TV.
Rasta transportation, you know. Rasta transportation to
Deep
the
Roots
world.
TV, you know.
Tell
I
up
love
my
you,
boys and
Deep
girls.
Roots TV.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. See real roots, them, man. The real roots. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaica. It's Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. Fill up the Rastaman panel. The fire has started and it's going to burn forever. Sizzla Kalonji has been facing attacks by many Jamaicans, from Footer Hype to the LGBTQ RSTUVWXYZ. This time, it's one of the top swimmers, one of the top churches. This is Shitty Dan, assaulting verbally my Rasta nation. And I man is a Rasta man. I am Rastafari soldier, the defender of Rastafari. Look me up on Deep Roots TV. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel. But we are going into this facial where Shitty Dan I give, because that is what she do. Shitty Dan accused Sizzla Kalonji of some egregious allegation. And as I man forward on the channel, me want make Shitty Dan know say you styling the wrong one. You can't run in pan Rasta, cause Rasta is not like you. A fake imposter. Rasta is not like you. A man that's acting like a woman that's drinking another woman secretion. Listen to the dumb Shitty Dan.
man like Sizzla not supposed to get no ratings. Man like Sizzla fi go suck him mama and go. One time I beat girl and I ill-treat woman and I push out how much in violence, how much gun in a Jamaica. Who not can talk about dada. This man is one of the reasons why Jamaica is the way how it is. Him produce violence and beat girl. Oh no want me for respect Sizzla. No man will beat girl and I push out gun in a Jamaica can get no respect from me. Sizzla no blood clot peacemaker. Him a warmonger. Careful your bumbo clot. How na alone make dada feel like say my blood clot God. Pussy go suck your mama. How na alone make them your blood clot thinking waste Rasta you walk and beat girl. Beat all him baby mother so till him broke all her hand. One man will facially destroy him blood clot baby mother. Rearrange him baby mother face. Broke up him baby mother. Who no make them your body man you feel like them a God.
You hear the dialect of this Jamaican transition. This transformer is styling Rastaman as if she don't know that Rasta is the Jamaican icon. You see, anyone can talk like them, a rude girl or a rude man, whichever one you want to be if you're up on the left or the right hand. Shitty Dan, you're sitting behind the closed gates of the fishy land, which is the United States of America. Yeah, you won't go anywhere else and run off your transvestite face like that. You're transitioning into another animal. Because Shitty Dan see Rastaman treading one away, Melchizedek way, and strong like mountain around Jerusalem. I have a message for both Shitty Dan and the Rastaman, Sizzla Miguel Collins. Well, let me address the Rasta man first. Sizzla, don't you penny this shitty one. Don't you penny this styled face. What them call her? Eunuch. Don't you penny her. Cause she's sitting to look to try to get this LGBTQ RSTUV mob against you. The I just hold him visa. So the shitty one is vexed that she cannot fly from America to Jamaica like everyone can, like you can. You are guarantee she's trapped in Babylon, in the shitty land. Yeah, the right place for the shitty Don. The shitty Don is talking about the aggression of the Rasta man. Unotek Rastafi monk. Unotek Rastafi punk. You are guarantee, let me speak it blunt. Hey, shitty Don. Shitty Don. The Don of all shit. The woman or the man that's drinking urine. I'm talking about piss. In your face, you make other girl a sit. You cannot speak up on Rasta and make Rasta feel no way. Cause Rasta lyrically fit. Member, are you name shitty Don? Are you at the top miss for shit? Are you the girl them sit down in them face, in your face when them ready for pee and shit? So, me want Kalanja to make sure he do not answer the shitty one, the internet as well. And Jamaicans are talk about, the shitty one are expose Kalanji. Yo, you can't expose Rasta man. Go expose your lewd and lascivious mentality that allow you to, as a woman, to be acting like a man. And more lava and a more fire pan the shitty one. And you're telling the Rasta man, say we go suck a mother. All good people do those things. They suck the breast milk, and that is the best thing proven for a child. But shitty Don, because you did a suck your daddy, you didn't realize that he was a man. And come up with this whole mental issue of calling yourself a woman or a man. Me don't know where you're there, pan which one. Sucking your mother as a Jamaican is a term of violation, but only ignorant humans would allow that to take them off their path. Sizzla Kalonji don't have to answer you because his fans are burning you. Burning you. Burning you. Yeah, me see it all over the internet. No matter if people are watching you, although that's what you're looking. Some likes, some shares, and some comments, and some subscription. But go on living a virtual life on YouTube. Remember, people are real humans. Shitty Don, go on living in your cesspool of erraticness and nastiness because you're confused. It's obvious. You're looking to jar down the Rasta man because he said the Rasta man have him visa and a fly out. So you're trying to agitate for Babylon, for Rasta man to say something to you. So I'm burning the fire by you, your father, your grandman, your mom, your friend, your wife and husband. And more fire upon the cesspool of nastiness that they call shitty Don. The Don of all shit. More life, more joy, burning the fire. You can't style Rasta. It's Rastafari soldier. Leave your comment. Yeah, you can talk about say Rasta violent and Rasta have gun and them a problem. Yo, when you live in a third world country like Jamaica and a man roll things, man have gun, and like you hear the language where I come out of your face, a son of Jamaican woman want talk to the man. I'm not advocating putting your hand on any woman. But you are going to, but remember saying, watch what you say. Because you can lose all that teeth. Watch what you say in this world. Me hear her all on our video I chat about she want call and just send somebody to her. She have lawyer. You know, hear what cartel say? Where you call the police for? Them can't stop the crime. Remember that. You could have lawyer where big and taller. Go on this Rastafari and see you're going to get skinny and maga. You might turn bait or food for worms. So shit it on, you better watch yourself and stop this the program. Cause I and I a Rasta man. And for you to talk like that about Dada, me no care what kind of personal hatred you have for Rasta or for Sizzla Kalonji, but watch what you speak. Remember, you have multiple organs underneath. You know, to say you are some kind of illusion of a human. Find out who or what you are and stop going like say you're a woman when you know you is a boy. Shit it down and expose you, try expose yourself to the world. Align you, try align yourself with Jamaican culture. You're a fool and you're gonna attack Rasta. And more fire for the shitty done. Shitty done, you're fool can destination. Much less become try style Rasta man. Me ask Kalonji, don't answer the shitty one. And more life, and more joy, and a more fire upon the shitty done. It's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, red, green, and gold. Shitty done, you're fool.
Fire,